All right, this is DrWU here with a take 2 on Boid Avatars and avatarify-python. So, what is Boid Avatars plus avatarify-python all about? Well, I came across this recent hot sauce episode with Dancing Joy talking about Boid Avatars, and I'm like, man, I haven't heard anything about Boid Avatars. So I took a quick look into it, and let me share my screen here. This is the hot sauce episode we're just about to watch, but more importantly, led me to this, which led me to this, which you can log in to create your own. And so I'm like, I want to create my own. And then it says Anchor Wallet. And I'm like, ooh, I'm so excited, so excited. More tools to play with. But anyways, then I started researching around online about what these avatars are about. And I found a couple Hive posts on it from community members. And then I also had been screwing around with this repo, which is avatars for Zoom, Skype, and other video conferencing apps, in which you can apply a avatar similar to what is there with any kind of live stream overlay. And Zoom actually implemented that same repo in their beta feature. So now this is where I messed up last time. I have to change the audio because I can't play the audio from the video at the same time. So I'm just going to switch over. More communication through avatar than just pure audio. Like even if you have an avatar that represents someone and their voices, even if it doesn't look like them, there's all these emotive things that go along with it, sort of cues. It's sort of trippy.
Yeah.
So that, anyways, that's me and my buddy teammate Mark talking about these avatars and what use they might have and just how fun it is playing with this technology. And so going back to, let's watch this other video. Let's listen to Dan talk a little bit about what Boid Avatars are all about. And I have to keep going back to change the audio settings. If I don't, it gets muted.
Welcome to the EOS Hot Sauce, so number 185. I'm your host, Dan Singjoy. I hope that you're having a great day and you're excited for some very hot EOS stories today. Let's get right into it. We have some really exciting topics. So first thing that we'll discuss is Boid Avatars. Then we'll also discuss Nathan James, new Director of Developer Relations, having an interview with Generios. Yves LaRose having an interview with BSN. The Helios Futures Twitter Spaces series. Nice one, new game demo. DeFi balance update, EOS development summary, ENF grants update, and the first eFractal meeting. All right, let's get into it. So the Boid Avatar, this one's a really cool and fun project. It's an exciting new NFT project from the Boid team where you can design your own unique NFT avatar and earn Boid when others make your design. So you can design your own avatar by combining different parts. There's 8 different parts that you can get in different Boid packs. You can customize it to express yourself with all sorts of fun avatars that have wings and they're flying. And you can also collect special edition community avatars inspired by ears here, like Ease and Zach and Stefan and Cox. So it's really cool. There's all much more that I'll show you too. So it's now live at avatar.boid.com. You can check it out there, and you can learn exacts there, and how you can purchase. And there's also frequently asked questions here. So basically, you can purchase pack NFT with lots of parts here on the and also on Atomic Hub. You can purchase it with Boid and EOS, and then you can design your own avatars, and then anyone can from your avatars. And then if somebody mints from your avatars, or when somebody mints from your avatars, then you can earn some of the revenue that is generated from that. And 25% the avatar minting revenue goes to the person who designed the template, and then 75% is burned to help grow the Boid ecosystem. And in addition, Boid Avatars also act as a unique pass to participate in the Boid universe, which is really exciting. So you can see here, here's the Boid the site with different packs. There's common packs and rare packs, and they're available. You can see and find more information, and you can also purchase it directly on Atomic Hub with EOS here, and you can see the small packs, large packs, etc. You can also go to the designer on the Boid Avatar website and design your Boid Avatar from scratch. So you start out with just a little white blank flying dude here, and then you can add different parts. Like you can add the cyborgo head, and then add cool eyes, and some sort of mouth and a torso, and all sorts. So you can get really creative. There's a lot of different options here, and it's really fun. I've been checking this out a lot, and it's really cool exploring. You can really get creative and express yourself. I've also been speaking with a lot of builders in EOS who have been really enjoying and making lots of cool NFT avatars with Boid too. So I'm very happy that the Boid team did this, and it's a really cool profile picture project as well for EOS. There's a lot of people in the EOS community who are making the profile pictures. You can see some really well done here, like from Wombat, and there's a Doctor one. There's Maxi from, I think that's Max Infeld. So there's lots of really great stuff. You can see Dan Larimer and Pisces Bits here, and you can also see their traits and rarity score and when it's minted and so forth. So really neat. Also, John from Boid, who is one of the main leaders at Boid, who helped develop this a lot, and Jimmy D, who recently had an interview with John from Boid. And apparently, my mouse trackpad just ran out of batteries, which isn't the most convenient thing, but I just plugged it in, so now it's better. Sorry about that. Yeah, so you can check out that, and you can check out the customized ones here on Atomic Hub, and you can purchase them. So as I was saying before, these also serve as a unique pass to the Boid universe, which is kind of just starting, or it's been developing for a while, but it's really getting off the ground, and it's in the alpha mode right now. So you can check out here. They have a really beautiful website. You can learn more, basically, these NFTs, in addition to just like looking really cool, being fun, and having them in profile picture, that also provide access and entry into all the exciting different worlds that they're building in the Boid universe. You can check these out at the links in the description. I was really amazed. I hadn't checked out.
All right, Dan. Thanks for sharing. Awesome. Great. We'll have to post that link so people can watch it in more detail. I haven't even had a chance to log in and mess with this. But the last thing I just want to touch on is how this repo plays out. But basically, there's a desktop version where you can install this on your own computer. And you need a Windows 10 NVIDIA GeForce CUDA enabled as preferred. Otherwise, you're not going to get the frame rates. But you can actually do deepfake type stuff. You could take a photo of somebody else. So anyways, there's that. They have a Google Colab repository also, a way to implement it. I never even heard of Google Colab before this. There's Docker support. So basically, this has happened, 2020 now. So it's been out there for a couple years, and Zoom is just integrating it. So a lot of this stuff, takes time, but it could have been moved on even earlier. So it looks like interesting. They started a Slack community, and there's an invitation link. StyleGen generated avatars. Now you drive a person that never existed. Every time you push a button, new avatar is sampled. Interesting stuff. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just wondering, can we take a Boid avatar and apply it to this avatarify-python? I don't even know what you call it. What is it? An overlay? Video overlay? So, very exciting. Cool. Thanks for listening. Take care. Bye.